the regional front, you heard that there have been some wells drilled in Grenada. You would have heard about the 6th discovery of oil in Guyana. And of course, we know that we have discussions going on with Dragon and Shell right now. There are discussions with Loquan Manatee and of course Manatee Lukida with BP. But when you look at the whole Venezuela issue, there's more than this potential of Dragon. I mean, there's a whole potential of the Mariscal Sucre region, the Gulf of Paria, south of Trinidad, Trinidad, Venezuela potential. There's and of course Grenada. It's a bit too early to talk about that because they just drilled one well. They're waiting for some analysis and data. But of course, these developments spell opportunities for Trinidad, of course, that we can explore. On the international front, you would have seen that we're trying to place ourselves in markets where we can grow as a country. And of course, we have been to trips to Mozambique and Tanzania, where there's considerable gas, where there's discoveries of, where there's conversations on LNG and building a domestic industry, running pipelines, and so on. This is not for the short term. This is for the medium term. But it just means that there's opportunity if we position Trinidad correctly and work differently. And what do I mean by that? I really mean that if we start actively exploring the regional front, for example, there's conversations with Jamaica on renewables, there's conversations with Jamaica on LPG, CNG, right? There's conversations about in Cuba as well, about some synergies there. And Guyana, while it's not a big gas front for NGC, it does represent some possibilities for logistics services from our ports through Galeota, which is only 22.6 hours away by vessel to Guyana. So Labrador is 30 hours, I understand, and Point Rhesus is 30.8 hours away. So there's synergies for logistics. But I'll get to the point quickly that we do need to have a different way of working. If we are going to position Trinidad out in the regional or international market, it's going to require a difference, I think, when it comes to government arrangements, how we position NGC as a group instead of a company, how we position the business community, the chambers, the service companies going forward. And of course, when we are meeting people in Mozambique, they are looking to educate engineers and technicians like everybody else. And we have the institutions here who can do that. So what I'm saying is that collaboration for growth is key for our country if we were going to position ourselves any differently. Right now it's fairly fragmented. People are of course trying and finding the opportunities and spaces, but I think if we were to show our pipeline of opportunities in advance and get people on board, I think we stand a better chance.